hurricane. He'll toss me to the ground, then he'll pick me up again. He talks inside my mind when nobody else can hear. He's a hard one to define, he's an easy one to fear. Wonder what it means when there's no one else around, to dream the same dreams and walk across the same ground. You know, I once believed that I understood the wind. The rustling of the leaves was no mystery to me then. I'm not gonna think about it no more. 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 He'll leave me in distress, then he'll wipe away my woe. I never get to guess, but I always need to know. He makes me want to live, though sometimes I don't know why. He'll take what I can give, even when I give a lie. Everybody leaves, every lover, every friend. Whoever we deceive doesn't matter in the end. No one can believe that the world is made this way. He's a hard one to conceive. What more is there to say? I'm not gonna think about it no more. 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 Lord, please don't drive me crazy like you've done most every time before. It seems so clear, then it all goes hazy, and I can't see what I was searching for. Why must everything be a question? Why not have the facts carved in stone? Tired of riddles wrapped inside deception, and the worst thing is we face them all alone. Looking for a sign, and I find one now and then. It's clear inside my mind, then it fades away again. The truth may be a lie that cannot stand the strain, that's held inside the eye of an autumn hurricane. Oh, but I'm not gonna think about it no more. I'm not gonna think about it no more. I'm not gonna think about it no more. about it no more.